Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join me today. Today we'll be making a craft. You'll need paper plates, black paint, markers, glue, scissors, and some gold coins. Mine aren't real gold coins. The first thing we're going to do is cut one of our paper plates in half and then glue both halves together. This is going to be the base of our pot of gold. The next thing we're doing is cutting out a handle by cutting out the middle of one of the other paper plate halves. Now we're getting all of the markers from the colors of the rainbow. We're going to make our handle into a rainbow. You're going to go through each color from blue to green to yellow to orange to red and purple. And now we've got a rainbow. Next we're going to be painting our pot black. I found this to be easier than using a marker because it goes faster. Once your paint has dried, we're going to secure the rainbow to the top of the pot with black tape. The last step is to fill your pot of gold with your gold coins. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and if you did, don't forget to tune in next week and check out the rest of the series where we learn words from the Irish language, read stories, and make more crafts. Until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán!